Hi, guys. I believe the biggest reason most people don't achieve early retirement is that they were never given a step-by-step guide. Today, I'm going to walk you through it step by step. No fluff, no recycled motivational cliches, just the exact phases you need to hit, the income benchmarks to aim for, and the mindset shifts that separate those who talk about freedom from those who live it. Whether you're 22, 35, or even 45, this plan can work. But it demands one thing: urgency. Not panic, not fear, but urgency. The kind that wakes you up and makes you realize no one is coming to rescue you financially. It's on you. And the sooner you take control, the faster you can escape the paycheck to paycheck cycle and finally live life on your terms. So let's get into it. This is how to retire in 7 years, even if you're starting with nothing. And just before we begin, hit that like button and subscribe if you're serious about building wealth in 2025 and beyond. This channel is here to arm you with real tools to take back your time. Phase 1, your freedom figure. Let's start with the single most important number in your financial life. No, not your salary, not your credit score. I'm talking about your freedom figure, the exact amount you need to walk away from your job forever. Most people have no idea what this number is. And that's a problem, because if you don't know your destination, every dollar you earn is just noise. You'll save blindly, invest inconsistently, and probably burn out before you ever reach financial independence. So let's fix that. Your freedom figure is how much money you need invested to safely live off 4% withdrawals every year, forever. It's based on a simple but powerful rule, the 25 times rule. Take your desired annual spending and multiply it by 25. Want to live on $40,000 per year? You need $1 million invested. Want to live on $60,000? That's $1.5 million. Want to retire on a lean $30,000? You're looking at $750,000. That's your freedom figure. It's the number that gives you choices. And here's the best part: you don't need to save that much. You just need to invest smart and earn aggressively. Let's do some quick math. Let's say you start from $0 and want to hit $1 million in 7 years. That sounds impossible, until you realize that with the right income and investment combo, it's doable. Here's how. You'd need to invest around $8,500 per month at a 7% annual return. That's aggressive, but it's not just about cutting coffee or canceling Netflix. It's about learning how to make, keep, and grow money in a way school never taught you. This is where mindset makes or breaks the game, because there are 3 types of people. Drifters, they live paycheck to paycheck, never saving, never planning. Dreamers, they talk big, maybe even write goals, but never act. Doers, they don't just have a plan, they follow it like their life depends on it, because it does. If you're still watching, chances are you're ready to become a doer. But here's the kicker. Reaching your freedom figure isn't about hoarding cash in a savings account. It's about building assets that pay you, even while you sleep. And that brings us to the foundation. Phase 2, lay the financial foundation. You wouldn't build $1 million mansion on quicksand. So why are most people trying to build wealth on financial chaos? Before you invest a dime, you need a solid base. Think of this phase as your financial scaffolding. Here are the 4 non-negotiables. 1, eliminate bad debt. High interest debt is the enemy of early retirement. If you've got credit cards charging you 20% interest, that's like investing in reverse. Use the debt avalanche method. Make minimum payments on all debts. Throw every extra dollar at the highest interest one first. Repeat until you're free. Good debt, like a mortgage on a rental property or low-interest business loan, can be leveraged later. But for now, kill the bad stuff. 2, build a 3 to 6 month emergency fund. This is your buffer against unexpected chaos. Without it, one flat tire or surprise medical bill could force you to sell your investments, undoing months of progress. Keep this money in a high-yield savings account. As of 2025, you can get 4 to 5% APY in the right accounts. 3, boost your credit score. Your credit score is like a secret passcode to lower rates and better opportunities. Get a starter credit card. Use it for bills. Pay it off in full every month. You're not using credit to spend more, you're using it to build power. 4, lower your tax burden legally. Every dollar saved in taxes is a dollar that can be invested. If you're in the US, open a Roth IRA and contribute up to the 2025 limit, $7,000 if you're under 50. That money grows tax-free. If you're self-employed, look into SEPA IRAs or Solo 401ks. These are wealth-building weapons that too many people ignore. And one more thing, Track every dollar. You don't have to be frugal forever, but awareness is step one. Apps like Monarch, YNAB, or even a spreadsheet can show you where your money is bleeding. Lay this foundation tight, and you'll be shocked how fast your finances shift. Now that your ground is stable, let's build upward. Phase 3, multiple income streams. Here's a hard truth. You will never retire in 7 years if your only income is a $48,000 salary. You need multiple streams of income, and they need to scale. Let me break it down like this. If you're earning $50,000 per year from your job and saving $1,000 per month, it'll take you 40 years to retire at $1 million. But let's say you add a second income stream, a side hustle, making $3,000 a month. Now you're saving $3,000 to $4,000 a month. That cuts your retirement timeline dramatically. Here's what to focus on in 2025. 1. Active income. This is your job or freelance work. Maximize this first by either increasing your value, new skills, certifications, changing jobs to boost pay, starting a service-based side hustle, consulting, copywriting, online coaching. Second, scalable income. This is income that doesn't trade time for money. Think YouTube channels, yes, even faceless ones, niche blogs, monetized with affiliates, digital products or online courses, e-commerce, dropshipping, or Amazon FBA. The best side hustles in 2025 share one trait. They are leveraged. You put in time up front, and they continue to earn while you sleep. 3. Income from skills you already have. Are you good at graphic design, coding, teaching something? Turn that into a consulting gig or packaged product. It's easier to monetize what you know than to learn something brand new from scratch. Here's a personal example. One of my friends worked in accounting. She created a digital course on bookkeeping for small business owners. Now it brings in $6,000 a month with little maintenance. That's leveraged, skill-based income, and it's gold. Just remember, the goal is not to work more. It's to build income machines. Even one stream making $1,000 a month can shave years off your retirement clock. Next up, the part everyone dreams about. Phase 4, build passive income. This is where the magic happens, when your money works harder than you do. Here's how to structure your passive income plan. 1. Automated stock market investing. Use apps like Fidelity, M1 Finance, or Vanguard. Set up auto deposits into low-cost index funds like VTI or S&P 500 ETFs. These track the entire market and average 7 to 10% returns over the long term. Use DRIP, Dividend Reinvestment Plan, so your gains compound without lifting a finger. Even $2,000 per month invested over 7 years can grow to over $200,000 with compounding. Second, real estate rental income. If you can save enough for a down payment, say $30,000 to $40,000, real estate becomes your ticket to consistent, predictable income. Use house hacking, buy a duplex, live in one unit, rent the other, or consider Airbnb short-term rentals if you're in a tourist area. In 2025, interest rates may be higher, but so are rental yields in underserved cities. Look into markets like Cleveland, Memphis, or parts of Texas. Third, digital assets. Websites and YouTube channels are modern-day rental properties. Build a blog or a faceless YouTube channel around a niche. Finance, travel, relationships. Monetize with affiliate links, ad revenue, or product sales. One faceless YouTube channel can pull in $5,000 per month in under 18 months with the right strategy. 4. Bonus. High-quality crypto. Optional, cautious. Crypto is volatile, but a small percentage, say 5% in Bitcoin or Ethereum, held long-term, can serve as asymmetric upside. Just don't bet the house. The key with passive income, don't chase hype. Chase consistency. It's better to make $1,000 a month passively for 10 years than gamble for a 10x return and lose everything. So let's recap. Know your freedom figure. Eliminate debt and build strong foundations. Stack income streams. Shift your money from working for you to working without you. It's not going to be easy. You'll have months where nothing works, times you question the plan. But if you stay consistent, 7 years from now, you could wake up and realize you're free. Free from the morning commute. Free from asking for time off. Free to build, travel, relax, or create without worrying about rent or bills. No, it's not easy, but it's worth it. And remember, you're not behind, you're early. Most people never even start. So if you're ready to stop drifting and start doing, subscribe now. We drop videos every week to help you build real wealth in real time. I'll see you in the next one. And hey, if you made it this far, drop a comment that says fire in 7 so I know you're serious.